introduce ourselves. My name is Sita Rawia.
My name is Ramalati.
My name is Aditya Nurusapitri.
Today, we will tell how to make ice milk tea. And keep watching, guys! Today is very hot.
And sweetie.
Aha! We make ice milk tea.
Yay! Ice milk tea.
Ingredients: tea bag, milk, sugar, ice, and hot water. Tools: spoon and glass. Firstly, put some hot water into a glass. Secondly, remain the tea bag into the glass. Next, put some 2 teaspoons of sugar into a glass. And then wait until the water looks brown. And then put some milk into the glass. Next, put ice into a glass of the tea. Finally, the ice milk tea ready to be served.